Hi everyone, it's Katrina from PCSE. I wanted to show you how to create a user account for a performer in the practice. So in the video where we show you how to create user accounts for other practice staff, then we mentioned that the user administrator needs to use a different approach and go to performer registration. So we're going to show you how to do that. So let's go to PCSE Online. So the user administrator for the practice signs in, and they go to user management. So we can see here we've got this tab performer registration. We just click here and we enter the GOC number of our performer. So this is a test site, so the numbers aren't exactly as you would expect, but you'll be entering 01 dash and then the rest of the performer's number. Now, we already have an email address on record for this performer. In some cases, there may be no email address. We just need to check with the performer that this is the email address they want to use to log into PCSE Online. So that's fine, happy with that. We need to enter a telephone number for them and mobile, can be the practice number if they wish, and then update. So we can see here the details were captured successfully, and before we finish, then we can actually assign the performer whatever roles we want them to have in the practice. So what we would be looking for in the live site is GOS performer. It's actually disguised as GOS claim processor here, but you would tick GOS performer. And if that particular performer was someone you wanted to have any other roles, such as user administrator perhaps to back up the other user administrators for the practice, then you would select those roles, or contractor signatory. If they are a designated signatory for the practice, then you would select that. Or if they're not a contractor signatory, then you would probably want to select supplier signatory so they can deal with collections and sign GOS 3s and 4s. So let's tick that as well. Then we click Create. And we have user registered successfully. So that account has now been set up. As the user administrator, I don't need to do anything else. So all that happens next is that performer email address, that email account, there will be an email in the inbox within seconds. And when the performer opens that email, there will be a link to set the password. Set the password, and then they can log into PCSE Online and start creating claims. If there are any other scenarios that you would like us to record so that you have a reference, just let us know in the comments, or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.